How do we detox our mind? Think of the mind like the body. In order to detoxify our mind, there are two processes. The first one is to prevent the negative input, just like food. If you want to have clean body, the first thing is to choose healthier diet. What kind of food that you should take and bring benefits to your body. What kind of food that you take will be toxic to your body. The mind is likewise. What we choose to think, what we choose to be in contact with, what we choose to be surrounded ourselves with will actually become our input. So the mind has a nature. Whatever the mind focuses on, it magnifies. If you focus on something positive, positive grows bigger. If you focus on love, love grows bigger. If you focus on pain, pain grows bigger. If we practice mindfulness, then we can master that skill to harness attention and channel our focus to where that is more positive. In that way, we can choose what is the better input, healthier input for our mind. The second part is how to cleanse the negative input that we already consume in our mind. So that actually going through this process of meditation. Whenever we're meditating, the process is to bring our mind back and stay safe with it. When that moment happens, it brings clarity. In that clarity, we are able to review what's going on in our life. What are the mistakes that we have done? What are things to be grateful? What are things to be appreciated? In that case, we started to see what are trash, what are healthier nutrients. So we can choose what to keep and what to let go. And that is when we start to accepting ourselves. And then we can start to keep only the positive part with ourselves. And that's how we get healthier mind. So two things that we can do: keep healthy input, organic input for the mind. Two, keep cleaning your mind regularly with meditation.